Oh, it's very out of focus. What is this? Wizardry. Where are we, Alejandro?
Harry Potter World.
Whoa, studio tour. Check the fit. Looking suave.
Yeah, I'll just nice.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, look, here it is. Oh, hey. Wow.
Remember when they sing that lovely song, Double Double, Toil and Trouble?
Wow. Oh, is this the baddies? The baddie table? The baddies? Ooh. Look at you, Alex.
Thank you.
That's okay. Are you scared? Oh shit. Yeah, it's so big up there. Wow. Yeah, she does. Oh look, we're boarding. We're gonna go. We're getting out of it. Going to Hogwarts. Wow. Snap. Snappity snap. I put it in the goblet of fire.
Right, you're in this one, Zach? Yeah, that one. You take that one.
This is Alex trying butterbeer, which you'll probably hate. Typical British weather. It's absolutely chucking it down. Okay, actually it's really chucking it down, so low-key running. Wow. Wow, that's so cool. Look when my camera's in focus. So Harry Potter's cupboard. Wow, oh, but that's nice. Ooh, greenhousey. Oh yeah, it's very slippy. Oh wow, got a little conservatory back there. My belly's mainly got wet. Oh my god, it's so cool. Woo, let's do one together.
You ready?
Go. You're having too much fun. Thanks. Oh look, you can be Dobby.
Wait, you can be Dobby.
Yeah. Don't I always call you Dobby? Now it's your chance to really be him. Not because of socks, but because of his ears. Oh wow. Go on to the next one. Wow. Name a more classic duo. Wow. So cool. Wow. It's quite mad. Was that the dragon that's at the beginning? Take me down to the Paradise City. Very cool. Oh my god, we made it. big boy class or a big boy kiss. What did we get today? What did we get?
A wand and a baby niffler.
A baby niffler for the baby. Oh my god. The little babies. Hello, babies. Hello,
In the
baby.
frame, I'm semi there. Hello.
Oh, that's what he said.
Hello.
Wow, we're going to show you what we got, which is literally 2 items. And you can see we just got home because these dogs are crazy. And by these dogs, I mean Roger.
Say
He
hello.
disagrees.
Say hello to the. Say hello to your adoring fans, Harvey.
Well, nice hair, dude. Nice hair.
You have no fans, Harvey. Roger.
Right, get the items.
Right. Which dog will eat this first?
Oh, cute.
This is for the baby. No! No! No!
What is that called again?
Baby niffler.
Wait, get it out properly. This is a baby niffler for our baby. Not that baby. Not a doggy baby.
This is
Oh my
for a
gosh.
human baby.
And this was £17. Wow. Wow. And what else did you get? I look very pregnant. Oh my god, there's everything happening. Oh. Oh. Get it out. Roger, Roger.
It's a stick.
It's a stick. It's probably not a stick for £32.
We paid for an expensive stick.
Very beautiful. Wow.
Guardian bloody Esther.
Oh, watch his paw. He's going to destroy.
No! Hey! Get down!
Bibbidi bobbidi boop away.
Bibbidi bobbidi boop.
That's the wrong film. Is that
Bibbidi bobbidi
Cinderella?
boop. Yeah, it's the wrong film, but
Jesus,
down.
where are you putting that? That's what got us into this situation in the first place.
You're hilarious.
Ooh, this is not any want. This is a M&S want. Does it have like little stuff on it?
Little stuff.
Well, it's actually quite heavy, to be fair. Resin. Resin. Very beautiful. Oh, Jesus, that pinged up real quick. Very nice. Very nice. So, hope you enjoyed this vlog. What do you think? You're taking a photo or something?
Yeah, I did.
Wow, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. What would you rate Harry Potter World?
I'll give it a 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Big shout out to my sister who got us the tickets because she works there. So, very good. Sorry, Roger, you wasn't allowed to come. No dogs allowed. I'd rather not a smelly panda in my face. Thank you very much.
Half a panda.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog with pretty much Alex the whole time. I know, David, you will. But yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You got anything to say?
Shout out, lads, chat.
Wow. You could have said Expelliarmus or something, but no, you had to ruin it.
No,
with
I
like.
had to say that.
Well,
I'm talking to town.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
What was that?
Say goodbye. Alright, go away now.